Building a house is one of the most significant investments in life. However, the reality is, most people begin construction without adequate expertise. As a result, they encounter challenges such as poor planning, structural errors, budget overruns, bad contractors. Mistakes might result in financial losses of lakhs. So in this video series, I will explain the entire house construction process step by step. Hello everyone. My name is Pradeep, and I work in the field of civil engineering and architectural design. In this channel, I will help you understand how to plan, design, and construct a house properly. This series will guide you from basic concepts to advanced construction knowledge. In this complete series, we will cover everything you need to know before building a house, starting from plot selection, house planning, structural design, estimation and costing, construction process, electrical and plumbing planning, exterior elevation design, interior planning. So by the end of this series, you will understand the entire house construction process from start to finish. We will also discuss important structural concepts like foundation design, column and beam system, slab construction, staircase design. These are the core elements that ensure your house is safe and structurally strong. We will also learn how to estimate construction cost. You will understand material quantities, cement, sand, and steel calculations, labor costs, cost per square foot. This will help you control your construction budget effectively. Then we will explore the complete construction process step by step, from site marking, excavation, foundation work, column construction, beam and slab casting, brickwork, finishing works. This will help you understand what actually happens on a construction site. We will also explore modern design ideas like front elevation design, exterior materials, interior planning, lighting concepts, so you can build not just a house, but a beautiful home. So if you are planning to build a house, or if you want to learn about civil engineering and architectural design, this series will help you understand everything in a simple and practical way. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, because in the next video, we will start with the first step of house construction: plot selection and planning. Thank you for watching.